Kilai ngut ki kyrtong na kalaifusan Ranikor Constituency bakun thup ya bichitro hajong oba Savio Franks ngidkhar kum ki kyrtong shimen but u tengsim G Momin na ka Trinamool Congress Party mentakisngi kilapnde pi kajing thep kyrteng ha returning officer Southwest Khasil District.
Yang kani election menyakun kadai bet ningkong fast ngawan ra yang kani ka TMC makwa ban roi ban par ka ibang salang koi ka kia akadong ka than khamtam ka Ranikor Constituency hari pause kidon kini kam kijam mangidon jingthot jingwet pat ban kra yang i sa ka basnu tengam kwa bangan poi ka basnu ban ngai lam ki paiba ha ka jingjot bat ka jing long sakri jong no pan long nong tong jong no han rei menta ngami na TMC pan yang kum ukatong simet jong ka independent kanang manin yo kata manin yo ka jinglai lut ka bakut ka basuba ka batikina pasirta ka jalawei jong ki jai panriu baro khamtam ki bab tangkha dang pun na he dang san akwa ban kin yang no rem la ka jong ti kijat jong ki om dei ban lek sakri haying jong nur jong no na ka liang jong a ko pai ba map yang bangala ka kanbas CP ban ngala pentip CP hakini ki banai ki beladep kum ku kertong jong TMC hanrei ha perkat kinai yang kalat klenti bangan trihok yuduk usuk urang li juki ukup siliang usam siliang hanrei endang lalap kalong menman kum mangi le business penban dei nak takadaw ko pajba to page pi so pinjit yano rianu uno ukertong ne ka party to danyo pada theo nang pan pinyo panlaj naka jing sitom pat ke jing long sakri long merau hano na kan liang jonga kulai sibun ko pajba to da kan mau pato da perkat.
No, I want to contest election because this Ranikor Constituency is very backward in the field of education. In the health center, like this hospital, dispensary is very bad. And this like agriculture, in the sector of agriculture also not good. It's very poor, and that one what's called that like very because when we get the education in the Ranikor Constituency, then only it will develop, because education give knowledge, and that when we will get the knowledge, then people will be already they will develop, because in Ranikor Constituency there is no higher secondary school and no college. That's why we are very undeveloped. Better when I pass this means MLA, then first I'll do that, I'll bring that college, higher secondary, then I'll develop this agriculture sector and this horticultures, and so many other issues are there, like road communication also not good, and this like network also not so good. There we're not getting internet, there not getting this like 4G, which is very difficult for us for internet. I try in BCP. I supposed to get the BCP ticket also, but they have rejected me in the last moment, because already I have done so many work in the field of the BCP, and many people they like me and I have done many villages. I have conducted many meetings in the party of BCP, but last moment they have rejected me in the last moment. But I'm very sad for that, no problem, but still I want to contest, because I want to serve to the people of the Ranikor Constituency, and I want to bring development for the Ranikor Constituency. That is God. I'm very promise for the public, and public also they like me. If I contest election independent also, I'll be success, because I hope that, I believe that, and I believe to the public also, and this my supporters, they love me, they support me, and I hope that I'll success.
Basta.
To anga da lo inuni ba makuat disipiso menanga
Ranikor area 30 years ongjok bersih kolachirang ongjok liba mamung development dongja saksa school nok rama jalang mamung ba dongja uni gemen anga kangkari kai antang dalo anga Ranikor 35 constituency chakatenga meni gemang asong jatna public na nama kamko dakchina ar nama ko anga kagen uni gemen anga dalo kangkari kai aro anga bersih kolachimang donga anga ya maiba Ranikor constituency uni gemen anga dalo Ranikor constituency chakate anga kangkari kai amena anga choroni jangi thonga tawgeta MLA bersih kolachi ongpuljuk uni kusebo da mamung develop dongja school ba dongja rama jalang dongja ICS MCS officer ba dongja saksa okil ba dongja after 30 years mamung dongja development uni kum rama jalang tharema mena border area mandi de kari business ka ba dongja qualification ko mandi dongja uni kum barang chioli chagpa mandi san banga uni kum ya ko anga nami dakna ar nami string kana ar nami kamko kana ni anga dalo kangkari kai Ranikor 35 Ranikor anga chakatenga thank you